Hello all and welcome to the course Modern Kitchen Design. My name is Diana and I am going to walk you through everything you need to know in order to get your dream kitchen. I am a civil engineer with studies in interior design, and in the last 2 years I have participated in over 50 residential and commercial design projects. In order to get started, we need a sketch of the room, so grab your plans and photograph them. No worries if you don't have any, you can draw it directly using your own measurements. Then, think ahead, what appliances do you need? Take into account the electrical installations and plumbing if already done. After you figure it all out, get inspired. Grab your tablet and scroll every interior design page you can find. Just kidding, but seriously now. Think about what colors, textures, and finishes you like, so you know where to begin. So, let's get started. So to get started, I opened homestyler.com. I'm gonna sign in into my account. If you don't have an account, just follow the steps here. Join now. Follow the steps. It's very easy to make a free account, and I'm gonna click start designing. So there are different ways to import a plan or to draw the walls, but I'm gonna show you right now how to. You can explore templates. You have room templates or project templates. If you want to just exercise, you can import a template and get acquainted with the platform. You can import a floor plan, an image or a drawing in AutoCAD, or you can draw wall by wall or rooms directly. So I'm gonna choose draw room. I'm gonna do it 4 meters by 4 meters. I'm gonna put 2 windows in my kitchen. I'm gonna make it bigger, 160, in the center. Okay, click duplicate, and I'm gonna put it here also. Okay, by pressing escape, you can go out of the command you chose. So I'm gonna also put a sliding door, I think here. Okay, so now we are in plain view, but if you press 2, we can go to the electrical plan. With 3, you'll go in 3D view, and by clicking the mouse and moving it, you can rotate the plan. And with 4, we are in walking view. So by scrolling, we can go front and back, and by clicking, we can rotate through the room. Okay, I don't like the standard options of the doors or the windows, so I'm gonna replace them. One click on the door, clicking replace, and I'm gonna choose something better. Okay, and with the windows, the same, click, replace, and find something that is better for your design. Let's see. Okay, also this one, replace. I'm gonna choose the same design. Also, I don't like the floor. It's pretty much the same thing. You can choose replace, or you can go to tile flooring and I'm gonna show you tile flooring, and you have here the materials. Choose another floor. I'm gonna choose something light. Okay, finish and back. I like it way better. Okay, I always put the baseboards before starting anything. So here in model library structure, okay, you can find molding baseboard. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, So by clicking on any wall, it will put the baseboard on all walls. If you want to put just for one wall, you need to press Ctrl first. So press Ctrl and then click, and you'll have only one wall with the baseboard. Okay, now that we finalized that, we should get started with the furniture. Now that we have the layout, we can get started with the furniture creation. We have the customized part, custom furniture, which we're gonna use, but also I want to show you that here in the catalog we have the kitchen part where you have cabinet sets. If it's something you like, you can use it, but you cannot modify it piece by piece. Here I'm gonna show you. You can only modify the size. You can lock ratio, so it's gonna modify everything when you change one measurement. So here I'm gonna put 300. You see that it's scaled. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna go to the customized part, custom furniture. We're gonna start with a tall cabinet for the oven, because it's better to have the oven higher for the heat, not to go in your face when you open it. So I'm gonna use a simple one, and I'm gonna create the space for an oven. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna unlock the size restriction. Okay, I'm gonna put it up to the ceiling. Okay, so the height of this room typically it's 280 centimeters. If you want to change it, you go out of complete custom furniture. Okay, press 1 to go on the plain view, click outside of the design, and here you have the wall height. You can make it 270, and the thickness you can also modify that. Okay, press 4 again. I'm gonna go and edit cabinet, and I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Okay, and now for the oven to fit, I'm gonna click, select cabinet part, and I'm gonna delete everything I don't need. So I'm gonna delete everything. And here also I'm gonna delete everything, and I'm gonna put the parts as I need them. Okay. I need the cabinet to be 60 centimeters. Okay, and the depth also 60 centimeters. I'm gonna go to the parts, inner panels, shelf board. I'm gonna put a shelf board here, but I don't know, 60 centimeters. I'm gonna put another one also at 60, because the typical dimension is 60 by 60 or something like that, 58 by 58 for an oven. And also I'm gonna make place for the microwave that needs 40 centimeters high. Now I'm gonna go also on the parts, the cabinet door. I'm gonna select the model I'd like to use. Let's see, I have some favorites saved. Oh, I'm gonna use this type of door, and again up. Okay, you can change the handles on style. I'm gonna put it down, the handle, and also I'm gonna change the style to my favorites again. Okay, I'm gonna go a bit up with 3 and 20 centimeters. Okay, Here I'm gonna do the same. Side, handle, my favorite. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Now that we have this cabinet figured out, I'm gonna go and continue with the rest of the furniture. Okay. Products, cabinet, base cabinet. I'm gonna put the washing machine here. So I need a simple cabinet. I'm gonna use whatever cabinet I want. I'm gonna put the height at 76 centimeters and the width at 60 because I need a large washing machine. Again, I'm gonna select the parts. I'm gonna delete what I don't need, and I'm gonna copy the door and put it on it. I'm gonna continue with the sink cabinet. When you put the sink cabinet, it's gonna, even if the standard is smaller, when you put it next to another one, it's gonna take the height of the one you already did. Again, I'm gonna select parts, delete this door, and copy this one. Okay. I'm gonna put it 60 centimeters also. Now I wanna put some drawers. Drawer cabinet. Okay. Here we go. I want to make it wider, so I'm going to put 80 centimeters. Again, select by parts. I'm going to delete what I don't need. I'm going to put some shelf boards. Okay. I'm going to click on it and click distribute, and I'm going to add 2 more. Okay, 2 more boards. Copy. I'm going to put it here, but now I want to go and change the handle, and you can change the direction also. Horizontal, click, copy, and use it on everywhere you need. Well, here I'm gonna put the it's called, I don't know how it's called, but we call it Jolly. It's a little drawer used for bottles. So again, products, this cabinet. I'm gonna choose whatever cabinet and I'm gonna modify it. Okay, I'm gonna make it 30 centimeters. Okay. Good. And now I need a corner cabinet. Good. Okay, so good. Now I put it in place. I'm gonna modify again the handle position. I'm gonna continue with this wall. Okay. 16. Good. Copy. Here I want to put the refrigerator, but I want to have it semi built in. So I want the doors outside, but I want to dress it with furniture because I need the extra space. So I'm gonna go and get a wardrobe because it's bigger. I'm gonna get a wardrobe and I'm gonna modify it. This one. I have it around 100 centimeters to the ceiling. I'm gonna select the parts and remove pretty much everything. I'm gonna customize it as I need it. Okay. I'm gonna put a shelf board at 185 of height. And the vertical one, because it's way too big of a space to have only one door on top of the refrigerator. Okay, I'm gonna copy the doors. Good. Now I'm gonna continue with some more cabinets. Now I didn't copy the right one. So that's cabinet, base cabinet. I think this one is better. Okay. Delete, delete, delete. Copy. I need one more vertical panel right here. Okay. Copy. Copy. Oh. Now that we have the everything mounted, we need to get the countertop. So I'm gonna go to generate countertop, click on it. You see everything that is one next to the other got selected. Don't want an apron trim, and I don't want a backsplash, but I'm gonna need a thickness of 4 centimeters. I'm gonna click generate. Okay. Complete countertop, and I don't like this one, so I'm gonna delete this part and make the door bigger. Okay, better. I want to also put some wall mounted cabinets, so go to the products. I'm gonna select something that fits my space. Okay, I'm gonna go and replace the doors. Also want to have it, I want to have equal cabinets, so I'm gonna delete this part. I'm gonna put another inner panels. Okay. I'm gonna copy again the doors. And there we have it. Good. I want to put something here because I don't want to have this space, so I'm gonna go and find some shelves. Let's see. Oops. Divider maybe. Something like this, I was thinking. Let's see. I'm gonna rotate it. 90. 180. Okay. I'm gonna use all the space that I have. Forward. I'm gonna bring it a bit further. And there we have it. Okay. And I wanna put here some shelves too. So let's find some shelves. I'm gonna use a wardrobe. After all, I'm gonna take whatever wardrobe and put it this one. Okay. It is 35 centimeters in depth. I'm gonna delete again the parts I don't need. Okay. I'm gonna distribute it. I'm gonna put 6 more. And here we go. That's only the base one. There you have it. Now I want to put the LED bands inside. So I'm gonna click on it, replace the panel, and I have model library, luminous panels. I'm gonna click on each one of them and replace. Replace. Okay. I'm gonna put some LED bands here also. So click, replace. Because the stove is gonna be in this area. Okay, now I want to put a bit of a backsplash here in this area. So I'm gonna go and put some tiles on the wall. I'm gonna click on the wall. Oh, complete custom furniture. I'm gonna click on the wall, customize wall, and I'm gonna draw 90 centimeters up, 90, align. Okay, I'm gonna need 60 centimeters because that's how much space we have between the cabinets. And this is the area that I'm gonna put the tiles. Material, I'm gonna choose a marble. I'm gonna put something gray. You can filter here. I'm gonna put this gray here and here. This one I don't really like. I'm gonna use, I think this one is better. Okay, I'm gonna change, go to tile flooring, and I'm gonna change the size of the tile. Okay, finishing back. With pressing B, you can take the material from one thing and put it on another thing or another area. Complete. Okay, I like it, and I'm gonna put it here also. I'm gonna do the same thing, customize wall, 90, okay, then another 60 up, 60, complete, and pressing B, I'm gonna take the material and use it here also. Okay. So let's put in the appliances, and then we're gonna go and change the materials so we have a beautiful kitchen. Model library, catalog, kitchen. I'm gonna need a cooktop. I'm gonna select an electrical one. I'm gonna put it right about here. I'm gonna put it inside the countertop. Okay. I'm gonna center it a bit. Good. We need an oven, a microwave, wall ovens. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna change the dimensions first. 60 by 60 by 60. You can rotate it using this arrow here. I'm gonna put it inside, a bit lower. I'm gonna change the height to 62 so it covers everything. I'm gonna check for it to be completely centered. Okay. Let's check again. 0. Okay. And after I found its position, I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna lock it so I don't accidentally move it. Catalog. I'm gonna go and find the microwave. This one is perfect for embedding inside the furniture. I'm gonna put a height of 41. You can use your own measurements and design the furniture as you need for your dimensions. Okay, click, lock. We also need a refrigerator, so we have some models here. Here we go. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Length is gonna be 70 centimeters. The height, I'm gonna put it at 185. 185. Okay. And here you go. And I'm gonna show you how to change the materials. So when choosing the materials, you need to make some research first. So you can talk to somebody who does furniture for a living, or you can go to stores and check what you like. But I'm going to show you how to modify it. Edit cabinet, click on it, style, and you have the material here. I'm gonna choose a light gray. Okay, and pressing Ctrl and B, you can take the color and put it pretty much everywhere, but first you need to select the parts, so we can do that. You can put it everywhere. By clicking on it. Okay. Just click, 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 and gonna change. So now we didn't get access to the inside panels. I'm gonna right click on the mouse and I'm gonna select all the doors. I'm gonna hide them. You can also open them. I'm gonna show you with this one. Open. Now you can access the inside. Hide. Okay, so now Control B. I'm gonna change everything. With this beautiful pale gray. This is a very nice color to use because it's very easily maintained, clean. And also it's a color that not gonna go out of style anytime soon. So you'll have a modern kitchen for a very long time. Also, it's better to use pale colors on the areas you're gonna be spending a lot of time, so that you don't get tired of them. Very easy. Good. And that we're finished. I'm gonna one more. Okay, I'm gonna press view hidden items, show all hidden items, and I'm gonna close the doors because I don't need them open anymore. Good. Now I want to change the material in the countertop. Edit it. I'm gonna change the material. Here. I'm gonna use a light gray. In this one. Because I chose an electrical stove, I can take this material and put it also on the walls for a better uniformity of the materials we use. Now we are ready with the furniture. Oh, I'm gonna hide also the oven and the microwave, and the refrigerator also, because I want to change the colors here too. Because when we'll render, these are gonna show, and I don't like the results when it's not everything neat. Okay, show all hidden items, and we can go and start designing our kitchen island. So let's start with the kitchen island. Customize, custom furniture. I'm gonna choose any cabinet I want. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna press 1 because I want to have at least 120, at least 1 meter on each side. I'm gonna need it to be of 2 meters by 1. I'm gonna put it by 70 because I wanna put only the countertop here on this side for the legs. So I'm gonna have some space. This is the cabinet space, but when I put the countertop, I'm gonna design something for the chairs too. So press 4 again. Delete everything you don't need. I'm gonna rotate it because I actually need the space, but I don't need these exact parts, so I'm gonna delete them. Okay, I'm gonna replace these panels with a regular vertical panel. This one too. Replace. Replace. I'm gonna add another shelf board because I wanna have 3 large drawers here on each side. Okay, I'm gonna move it a bit. I have 19.7, 19.7. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the doors and put them. Close. Copy. Okay. And I'm gonna take the material from the doors and I'm gonna put it in the rest of the furniture. Okay. Generate countertop. So when generating the countertop, generate it as it is, and then I'm gonna go and edit it. I'm gonna put an extra 30 centimeters here, 300 millimeters for the chairs. Complete. Generate first. Generate. Okay. Complete. I'm gonna take the material, I'm gonna put it here, and I want to okay, I'm gonna take this side until around here. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna do the same on this side too, because it's gonna look nicer and it's more practical. There we go. Okay. So now we have a beautiful kitchen island. Also, we want to put and generate. We have the toe kick. I'm gonna select the furniture and put the toe kick also. Generate. Okay, complete. I'm gonna take the material and put it here too. Okay. What do you think? Do you like it up until now or not? No kitchen is complete without the lighting, so let's find something that could work. So I'm gonna press 2. We're gonna go to the electrical plan. And from model library, catalog, lighting, we have ceiling lights. And I'm gonna select something round so I can modify it into some LED spotlights. Let's find something. You have 78 pages, so you have a lot of models you can work with. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna zoom in, make it 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters, a height of 10 centimeters. I'm gonna press 4 to see how it looks. It looks pretty good for what I need. I'm gonna press again 2. I'm gonna put it throughout all the kitchen. Duplicate. I'm gonna put it on the same distance. Duplicate 60, and I think one more will suffice. Okay, maybe 65. I'm gonna go from here and put it at 65, so I'll have a more even result. 65. I want to have LED lights on this part too, so duplicate 65, and I think one more will be enough. Duplicate 65, and here you go. We have set the lights for the countertops, and now we need some more light on top of the island. I'm gonna press 4 again. I'm gonna see how it looks. Good. Again with the 2, I'm gonna select the ceiling light that works for my kitchen. Let's see, pressing 4. This looks very good. I'm gonna give it a chance like this, because I have some gold tones here too, and I think this will work. Okay, remember we also put the LED lights here and on these shelves, so we're gonna have plenty of light. For the finishing touches, we're gonna put some drapes. We're gonna color the walls, put some chairs and some artwork. Let's start. Catalog. I'm gonna go to curtains and find some Venetian or Roman drapes. Let's see what models we have. I like this one better. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the ceiling. I'm gonna change the dimensions to fit my windows. Okay, a bit more, 165 for me. Good. And I'm gonna make it a bit higher, 100, and right about here. I'm gonna change the material also. I'm gonna click on it, replace material, and put a curtain fabric, curtain cloth. white one. Let's see. Yes, this should work. Complete. I'm going to duplicate it and put it on the other window too. Duplicate. Put it right here. I'm going to bring it a bit down. And a bit more to the right. Okay. For the chairs, I'm going to select the pop of color that we need. I'm going to go with green, but we have plenty of options. Dining room, bar and counter seats. I'm going to select these ones and I'm going to change the material. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, I'm going to press 1 to be able to arrange it as I want. Duplicate. A bit more to the right, a bit more to the left. One more. Okay, I'm going to press 4. Clicking on one of it, I'm going to replace the material. Fabric. I'm going to select here green. I'm going to put this green. I'm going to let the program change the rest of them. Okay, by pressing OK, all the models have the same materials. Good. I want to put some artwork here on this wall. I'm going to go to decorations. Okay, art and decor, some paintings. And I'm going to select something modern. So I think I'll go with this one. And also this one. When hanging the decor, the paintings, you need to consider that its middle line to be at around 140 centimeters. So we have the height of 140 and the width of 110. Okay, so I'm gonna put 70 elevation. And for the other one, I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna bring it a bit higher. I'm gonna put 145, 142 because I wanna put 2 of these. Duplicate. I'm gonna put it right here, 138. Okay, something like that. We don't want too much space between the paintings. So I'm gonna keep simple lines. Okay. Also, to light up a bit the room, I'm gonna put some plants. Catalog. We have here the plants. I'm gonna choose something small. I'm gonna put this one on the kitchen island. And I want something smaller for the shelves here. Okay, let's see what we can find. Okay, something like this. Okay, where are you? I'm gonna change the material on the windows too. I don't like this one. We need some plastic. Okay. Ordinary plastic. I'm gonna go with black. Okay. Complete. Okay. I also want to change the color of the faucet. I'm gonna press B. I'm gonna take this gold. I'm gonna put it here too. Okay. Let's also change the color of the walls. I'm gonna go with a nude color, wall material color. Just something to not be white. I don't want it to be white because it will warm up the space a bit. I'm gonna press B and I'm gonna put the material on all the walls. Okay. And we have here some kitchen appliances also. I'm gonna go grab some. If you have a model that's too big, you can click on it, lock ratio and make it smaller, but it will keep looking normal, not disproportionate. I'm gonna put a height of 30. I wanna need a 25. This looks better. These are nice too, but I want to put them on the other side here. Okay. And I need some kitchen appliances. Let's see what we can find. Other appliances. I'm gonna put a coffee machine. Let's see which one do I like. This one. If you really like coffee. I'm gonna go and grab some accessories, utensils. I'm gonna put some spices here. And I'm gonna make it smaller. Like that. I'm gonna lock ratio again. I'm gonna put 27. Oh, 27. Okay. And you can scroll and find the replace material to look better in our kitchen. And something like that. What do you say? I'm gonna do the same with this. I want to have something that goes well together. And also I'm gonna change the material on the spices. So something like that. If you have a modern kitchen, you want to keep the neutral tones. So we don't want to have all sorts of recipients or containers that are all shapes and colors. So you get it. You can go through the ceiling and put everything you think you need in your kitchen. So let's go to rendering and see how this looks. We want to have some good images. I'm going to show you how to set the camera so you can have some good results. I'm going to press render. You have different types of render, the normal, the panorama. It's going to give you a 360 view, the aerial. By clicking and pulling the mouse, you can rotate the image. Top view and video. So let's go to normal. I'm gonna select Springland for the environment. I'm gonna change the focus at 70 because we have a small room, and I want the field of view. I want to enlarge it so we have more details in the picture. Also, you want to have it at 140 always. And here I'll select 4K, but if you have a free account, you can go 1K unlimited, and 2K is with 2 points if I'm not mistaken. So every time you sign in to Homestyler, you get 5 points. So you can have some images for free. I'm gonna try and be centered. Scroll back so I get as much information as possible. You want to have these lines green because see, if I pull the mouse you get it red, but if you have the green one, it means that it's straight and you'll have a good image. So now I'm gonna click on render. Okay, I need to scroll in a bit. Go to modify, a bit more, render. Okay, I want to get all the angles. You can have up to 5 images. So I'm gonna use them all. One more from this. And I'm also gonna do a top view because I want to see how it looks with this arrangement. Okay, I'm gonna scroll in a bit. I'm gonna select black for the environment so I can see if my building, my room, is set straight. Okay, I'm gonna select again the 4K and I'm gonna press render. This takes about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna come back with the images. My images are ready, so I'm gonna show it to you. So, what do you think? I don't like the curtain, so I'm gonna change that. But the rest of it, I think it's good. Also, maybe the material of the chairs, I'm gonna put it a bit darker. So let's make the changes. Replace material. I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna replace the curtains altogether. Let's see if I can find something prettier. That goes better with my design. Okay, I'm gonna replace with this model, the height of 100, 120, 162. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna duplicate the one I already modified. I'm gonna press 3. I'm gonna bring it inside the wall. Again 4. I'm gonna center it, put it up in the ceiling a bit further. To the left. I think this will do. A bit lower. I'm also gonna change the railing with this. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's better this way. And the material on the chairs. Fabric. I'm gonna go again at green. I want a more intense color. Complete. Okay. And now if I want to render again in the same position, I'm going to show you how to do it, but first I want to press 1 and make another room so I don't have so much green in my images. Okay, and I'm gonna copy the floor from here to here. Okay, and this will be more realistic. Forgot to show you the top view image, so I'm gonna show it to you now. And I like how it turned out. I'm gonna press back. Under normal image, you have this little button that will help you render with the same view. Okay, I'm gonna press render. Back to the images. Render with the same view. Okay. And for the last one. Now I'm gonna make also a panorama, and I'm gonna show you the result in the next video. Right. I wanna show you my final images because they're ready. Please let me know what you think. You can go step by step with me recreating this kitchen, or you can choose your own materials and finishes. So here in the images panel, you can select the images, the ones you want, and click download and you'll get an archive, or you can go one by one by opening them, view details, download, render. I'm gonna download them all. I'm gonna put it in a document for you to have. Okay. And also I'm gonna give you the link for the panorama so you can see it. I have one ready. This is how it looks like. You can select a better resolution. You can click and drag the mouse, and you can move through the room. I'm gonna set back. Also, you can download images, floor plan with furniture or floor plan without the furniture. You can export drawing, summary and bill of materials. It's not properly set, so I think this will suffice for what do you need. Okay, let me know if you like this course, and don't stop learning.